Scott and Lisa. The snow here in Mount Pocono started about 2:30 this afternoon when other parts of the county saw some rain. But let's take a look at what we're seeing right now at the 5 Points intersection. There's a lot of people out on the roads right now, but luckily the roads are just wet. No snow sticking to them. Any snow that's sticking is sticking to the grass or the rocks, some of the sidewalks. But earlier today, we stopped by Pocono Township to check in with those crews who are going to be working around the clock in preparation for the first snow of the season. The plow trucks are parked in the garage in Pocono Township, ready to hit the roads for the first snow of the season.
I mean, Mother Nature's been fair to us. You know, we had 60 degrees last week, so it's a little interesting that we're getting hit with this.
Township Manager Jared Belvin says everyone is ready for a sizable amount of snow. Everything is set, the salt shed is filled to the brim, and staff in the township's Department of Public Works have been busy making sure everything is in tip-top shape.
We have to put the plows on the front, spreaders on. We're lucky to have a heated garage, so we fill the trucks up ahead of time with the salt and brine solution.
In Pocono Township, the Public Works Department is responsible for keeping 79 miles of road clear.
Our Public Works crew works around the clock, 24/7 whenever there's any kind of snow emergency. We just ask people to, if they have anything in the cul-de-sacs, bring, the basketball hoops in, don't park on the sides.
Now, the Storm Tracker 16 team has said it time and time again, people who live in the higher elevations are going to see higher snow totals. So those people here in the Mount Pocono area, Tobyhanna area, are going to see more of those totals. But again, it's really windy, the snowflakes are flying, and this is just the beginning of what we're going to see later on tonight. Emily Kress, Newswatch 16, reporting live in Monroe County.